In May of 2000, the Department of Health and Human Services released the nation's first ever Surgeon General's report on oral health. The results revealed a silent epidemic of dental and oral disease that burdened many population groups across the country. Low-income individuals, especially children and the elderly, were found to be amongst the most affected, along with members of minority ethnic groups and the disabled. In response to these findings, the Dental Trade Alliance Foundation was established to fund new and innovative initiatives for the expansion of oral health care access across the nation. These programs are made possible in part by the DTA Foundation. One of the organizations that the DTA Foundation has supported through a grant is the Children's Oral Health Institute's Lessons in a Lunchbox program under the guidance of Dr. Winifred Booker. Lessons in a Lunchbox is an oral health literacy program designed to empower children and their families with knowledge about proper dental care.
Hygiene is certainly the first form of prevention, and so we want to teach you how to prevent getting a cavity. And so it's so important what our dental hygienists do, and so they're going to be helping to show you how the lunch boxes work.
Specially designed lunch boxes are distributed to each student, illustrating dental hygiene practices and encouraging healthy eating habits.
And so inside the lunch box, it has information about brushing and flossing and about how to properly eat. How many of you eat eye-poppers, crybabies, tongue smashers, Jolly Ranchers, Skittles, Snail Ladies, Happy Happy Gummy Bears, Swedish Fish, Reese's Pieces, Jelly Beans, M&M's, Sour Patches? Oh my goodness, that's too many hands, isn't it, Delegate? They eat all those candies. Okay.
Lessons in a Lunchbox informs children of the benefits of good dental care, which in turn may have a positive impact on the behavior of the larger family unit. For some segments of the population, such as the elderly, a major barrier to receiving proper dental care is transportation. Appletree Dental is taking steps to remove that barrier with its mobile dental care program, thanks to funding from the DTA Foundation. Appletree Dental operates a comprehensive mobile dental service to provide on-site care to nursing homes, senior centers, and assisted living facilities. Teams visit a satellite location where portable dental equipment is assembled, allowing patients to receive treatment without the need to travel. A study by the Mayo Clinic found a direct correlation with poor oral health and poor overall health in the elderly population. For this reason, the DTA Foundation funded this project and others with a focus on the elderly in an effort to prevent increased risk of major health complications, including diabetes, heart and lung disease, stroke, and even death as the result of poor oral health care.
You look like you're in good shape. That's all we needed to do today.
The town of Martinsville has the highest unemployment rate of any locality in the state of Virginia. This economic hardship has left many residents without income and, by extension, without access to dental care. The Piedmont Dental Foundation serves this population while also serving as a training facility for dental students. President Mark Crabtree recognizes the value of the DTA Foundation support.
I said, we're trying to get a little extra money to take our program from seeing 13 student rotations to every student in the school being seen. But we need a little resources to do that. So he said apply for the grant, so I applied for it, and so they actually, we received the grant in 2009. And as a result of that, we were able to take our visits increased by 50%. And we took the value delivered to the community from $530,000 to over $1 million per year that we're able to give back.
In any community, even if it was more well off than what this one is at the moment. Because I mean, the people around here are hurting because the jobs just aren't here. But in any community, just something to help people that need a hand up is beneficial anywhere.
I think their patients are just so grateful to be able to be seen here and to have, the ability to come to a dentist that's affordable and that they can afford to come to. And some of them have been interested and asked, like, what year are you, when do you get to graduate? And they're just excited, I think, and grateful that people are here to treat them, and that, and they know that they're helping us as well, and that we're getting to learn on them and kind of walk through what it's going to look like when we get out of school.
So we were able to leverage their resources to really produce a lot of care for our community, and also to be able to create an environment for education for our dental students that far exceeds anything we could have imagined. It's been a wonderful experience for the students, and it's been a tremendous blessing to all the people who receive the care in our clinic.
These 3 initiatives provide a snapshot of those who have benefited from the support of DTA Foundation funding. As of 2013, the Dental Trade Alliance Foundation will have donated more than $1 million to over 50 different projects, each improving access to oral health care in their communities. Your continued support of the DTA Foundation helps to ensure the creation of new, innovative, sustainable projects designed to increase access to oral health care for all.